your pool sparkling clean with this eco-friendly pool vacuum. No motor or electricity needed, just connect your garden hose and let water pressure create the vacuum. It removes leaves, insects, and debris from the bottom of your pool with ease. Also perfect for bathtubs, ponds, and fish tanks, one tool, multiple uses. Simple to use, affordable, and saves water at the same time. Say goodbye to complicated cleaners and hello to the ultimate pool hack. Whether you own a large pool or a small backyard pond, this tool makes cleaning fast and effortless. Designed for anyone who wants a clean pool without spending a fortune. A must-have gadget for summer days. Practical, eco-friendly, and surprisingly effective.
O canal Deskstock traz diariamente vídeos com as melhores ofertas do momento, economizando seu tempo e dinheiro. Inscreva-se agora e não perca nenhuma oportunidade. Não se esqueça de deixar o seu like e comentário no vídeo. Assim você ajuda a nossa equipe a trazer ainda mais ofertas incríveis para você. Inscreva-se agora e comece a economizar hoje mesmo.